Hello student of class 12th. This is the last topic fertilization of chapter number 3 human reproductive system. The last topic is fertilization. Fertilization means fusion of male gamete, haploid male gamete. It means n number of chromosomes fuses with haploid female gamete. Haploid female gamete, again 23 chromosomes are present in the haploid female gamete to form a diploid cell or zygote cell, that is called fertilization. It means fusion between male gamete, that is spermatozoa, female gamete, that is ovum, and they form a zygote, that is diploid cell. This is known as the fertilization. It means two haploid cells are formed together, a diploid cell, that is zygote. We can say that the first cell of human being is zygote. Because of zygotes, a human body can be made up of. So here is the site of fertilization. We know that fertilization is internal in the human body. So fertilization in human female is internal as in the other mammals. It is usually take place in ampulla. Ampulla is the part of the fallopian tube. So it is usually take place in the ampulla of the fallopian tube. The steps which is occur in the fertilization, that is arrival of spermatozoa, that is sperm effort, role of uterus in sperm transport, egg formation and capillation. We can understand this fertilization process by this diagram. This is female reproductive system. We are taking help of female reproductive system just because fertilization occur in the female body. So first step is arrival of spermatozoa, arrival of spermatozoa. So first point is arrival of sperms in the female body. We know that arrival of sperm can be occur by the help of penis. So I am going to start that. Male discharge semen. We know that semen is a fluid which present in the male reproductive system and which contain multiple million of sperms inside it. So male discharge semen high up in the female vagina close to the cervix. Means पेनिस के थ्रू जो सीमेन होता है वो वेजाइना के थ्रू होते हुए सर्विक्स तक प्रेजेंट हो जाता है, सर्विक्स तक कैरी ऑन होता है इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कॉपुलेशन. दैट इज प्रोसेस नोन एज द कॉपुलेशन. By the help of copulation, semen is carried in the cervix. And this is called insemination. It means injection of the semen in the female body by the help of penis. That is called insemination. So next is from the vagina, sperm reach in the ampulla partially by the on effort or by the action of uterus. We know that sperm have its own energy with the help of mitochondria. So with its energy from the semen, sperm can be reached at the ampulla part. Sperm can be reached at the ampulla part. Like that we can say that is a sperm. Now sperm effort. Second point is sperm effort. So sperm may swim at the rate of 1.5 to 3 milliliter per minute. It means जो sperm होते हैं एक 1.5 से लेकर के 3 मिलीलीटर सीमेन के अंदर एटलीस्ट नंबर ऑफ स्पर्म्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं अ सिंगल एजकुलेशन. इट मीन्स अगर एक बार कॉपुलेशन होता है सीमेन इनटू द वेजाइना कंटेन एटलीस्ट 200 to 400 million of sperm in the 3 milliliter fluid. It means agar semen fluid quantity is 3 milliliter, then it can be contain at least 200 to 400 million of sperms. Means अगर 3 मिलीलीटर सीमेन बॉडी के अंदर इंसेक्ट होता है ह्यूमन बॉडी के अंदर और फीमेल बॉडी के अंदर, देन इट कंटेन कैन बी 200 to 400 million of sperms and only 100 of sperms can be reached at the fallopian tube. यानी कि 200 to 400 million of sperm में से only 100 of sperms जो हैं वो एम्पुला में पहुंच पाते हैं. These sperm can be reached at least in 5 minutes in the fallopian tube, and they can be survive at least 1 to 3 days. They can be survive at least 1 to 3 days in the human body, and the fertilization can be occur in only 12 to 24 hours. Next one is arrival of egg. We know that egg is produced in the both ovaries. So the egg is released from the Graafian follicle. Graafian follicle के थ्रू जो है egg release हो जाता है and ovary to receive by the nearby fallopian funnel, जो कि fallopian funnel, that is funnel, fallopian funnel के through it can be received. We can say that is our egg, and sent into the fallopian tube, which can be sent into the fallopian tube by the movement fimbriae and cilia. Here is the finger-like structure, and they can say said that fimbriae or cilia. The oocyte can live for 72 hours but can be fertilized only during the first 20 hours. So the lifeline of the egg, that is 72 hours, but the energy level of fertilization, that is only 24 hours. If copulation occur in the appropriate time, the egg is surrounded by the numerous sperms, means we can say that is our sperm, that is egg. So if that is appropriate time of fertilization, then this egg can be surrounded by the number of eggs, but only a single egg, only a single sperm can fuse this egg. Only a single sperm can fuse this egg. After this fusion, a single cell is made, that is called zygote, and this process is known as fertilization.